The department is keenly aware of the concerns over congestion and has placed significant attention on developing practical solutions to address these issues. This is a concept that significantly improves traffic flow during the busiest times of the day. It involves changes to traffic signal operations, restriping of existing pavement, and a few other minor modifications that fit within the existing roadway footprint. The focus is on prioritizing key travel patterns during the morning and afternoon rush hours and looking for opportunities to provide relief at the most congested intersections. Along First Street, which carries the heaviest volume of traffic, the intersections with Manatee Avenue and 6th Avenue provide an opportunity to increase the flow of through traffic. This is done by restriping the existing left turn lanes to create one additional through lane in each direction. Northbound left turns from First Street onto Manatee Avenue are relocated to 9th Avenue, where they will use 3rd Street to proceed north to Manatee Avenue. These changes allow the traffic signals to serve many more vehicles within the same space the roadways occupy today. A similar treatment is recommended for 9th Street. So the traffic signals can work more efficiently, the northbound left onto Manatee Avenue is shifted one block east to 8th Street. This provides 9th Street more green time to accommodate the heavy left turn traffic from 6th Avenue that currently backs up between Manatee and 6th. Based on an evaluation of these improvements using traffic simulation, travel times and delay are expected to be significantly reduced. Along the routes shown here, the red values show how travel times are reduced during the morning peak. The blue values represent the reductions in travel time anticipated during the afternoon peak. A robust transportation network provides safe accommodations for all users, pedestrians, cyclists, drivers, and transit riders. Sometimes users are in shared space, and sometimes they need to be separated for safety, depending on how many cars are on the road and how fast they are moving. A complete streets approach to network planning involves understanding the purpose of the street and addressing the abutting land uses. Elements incorporated into the cross-section influence the character of the facility, which in turn influences how people behave on the street. Identifying opportunities to enhance the network to better support people traveling through the community safely, conveniently, and comfortably is central to the development of a successful plan. An example of a complete streets project recommendation is the 9th Avenue or Martin Luther King Avenue Complete Streets Corridor Study. The purpose of the study will be to identify complete streets improvements or enhancements that can be implemented along 9th Avenue, Martin Luther King Avenue, between 14th Street West and 9th Street East, such as reduced width or number of travel lanes, providing bicycle lanes, enhanced sidewalks, streetscape and lighting, improved public transportation facilities, and improved access to adjacent properties. Planning for safety is paramount. CMNAA has conducted roadway safety audits for 9 corridors that have identified safety countermeasures to reduce crashes. These improvements include traffic signal modifications, lighting, sidewalks, and bicycle enhancements, among others. Transit is another mode considered by the study. The quality of transit service is measured in frequency and reliability. Potential improvement strategies include route and service modifications, downtown transfer station expansion alternatives, signal prioritization, and bus stop improvements. Our assessment of the pedestrian and bicycle network focuses on continuity between facilities that consider the volume and speed of traffic. Recommendations to improve pedestrian access include closing sidewalk gaps and providing more marked crossings. For cyclists, the assessment looks at the mix of bicycle and vehicular traffic. Recommendations include buffered bike lanes where space allows, bike boulevards away from heavy traffic on alternate routes, and specially marked lanes on neighborhood streets or constrained corridors where bikes and cars share the roadway. As part of the Governor's initiative to develop a statewide system of interconnected recreational trails, the Florida Shared Use Non-Motorized Trail Network was established in 2014. The Sun Trail program provides state funding to develop new trail alignments, leveraging a series of existing trail networks throughout Florida. Within the CMNAA study area, the Willow to Ellington Greenway Trail is planned along the route shown here. This facility will provide regional connectivity between the Tampa Bay region and points south along Florida's west coast. The CMNAA study has also identified an opportunity to enhance trails connectivity within the city of Palmetto. FDOT is partnering with the city and other local agencies to provide additional trail connections between Lincoln Community Park and the new Lincoln Academy Charter School. This will tie into the planned Sun Trail alignment and provide additional connectivity to the existing Martin Luther King Trail. Opportunities to extend a trail connection to Washington Park as part of the near-term planned improvements by Manatee County are also being considered as part of this collaboration. This concludes the overview of short-term and multimodal improvement strategies. Please proceed to the next tab to answer the second set of survey questions.